Well, it's 106 here today. Pretty hot out here in the shop. I think I've melted down about 3 or 4 inches shorter or something. Feels like it anyway. So I haven't been able to work in the shop much lately because I've had so many other projects outside. So this is kind of a recap. I'll take around the shop and kind of show you what all I've done. I've gotten some things done, but they're kind of spotty. So this be bring up to date about where I am on this 53 Chevrolet pickup. So watch on through if you want. Like and subscribe. I don't deal with the likes and subscribe too much, but I guess it's good to see someone either liked it or didn't. So I'm going to just carry you around here now. I'll take just a few minutes to show you what all kind of went on this week and bring you up to date on this little 53 pickup. All right, I'll be back in just a moment. All right, this is kind of where we left off, I think on the last video, and come on through here, and haven't done much on that back, but I've been working on the running boards. See if I can get in here. So I've got this one ready to go on. I've been taken care of underneath. It's ready to go on, and then I've got the harness about ready. I'll get over to the harness in a minute to put the engine harness on. I've got some little work to do on it. I'm using the original harness, just rewiring where it needs and taking away where it doesn't need. Also still mocking up the transmission lines, so I needed to kind of put the radiator back in place and to get my lines to where they go into the bottom of the radiator. So worked on that a little bit. I've been over here working on this last running board. It has some pretty weak, broke up pieces right back here where it attaches, so I'm putting a patch on that and welding up where I can. Get that welded up, and yeah, use standard old tools there to do that with. Twist lock, there, a little belt grinder, and others. So been doing that. Also there on the back, I've made it around the corner on that, and I'm working right across the center, and I'll be through with the back window. Like a little bit on that, probably another 3 or 4 hours on that, and I'll be done. We'll move around to the front then. Alright, proceeding on over here. I've laid out the harnesses and have figured out pretty much what is where and what goes where. Now I'll start stripping it down and cleaning up what I don't need, and I have some new wrap. Probably wrap most of it. I might not wrap. If it's not brittle, I may not wrap it. Some of it had heat and it got brittle, and I wrapped it. So that's kind of what I've been doing this week. I have not gotten into the cab yet. I have it marked where I want to cut it. So I came out here, I have an hour. Now that kind of gives me a decide if I want to do something different. don't want to start something new or whatever. But anyway, that's kind of what I've been doing this week. I've been spending time over here in my machine shop, doing a few things over there for people, and that have been kind of keeping me busy too. So I guess one other thing that I did is over here. I'm going to use a steering column that I had in the shop here, and so I've been identifying all the wires that come out of it and what they do, and it is a, I don't know, maybe late 70s, early 80s Chevrolet column. Has cruise control on it, tilt wheel. So I figured I'd just use it. It'll work good for this project. And that's pretty much what I've got a chance to do this week. Otherwise, my shop is kind of just wondered where I was. So I get a few hours in here and there. So a little short video here, kind of bring you up to date. I didn't have anything in specific to show. Pretty much the sheet metal work I'm doing is just standard work. It just clean it up, build a patch it, grind it down. And if it's something I want to keep patinaed, I'll put some acid on it and start the rust process back. So anyway, so that's about what happened this week. I'll hope to make something longer here shortly, but at 106 and 108 out here in the shop during the day, I can get in a little time in the morning, a little time in the evening, and that's about it. So thanks for watching.